Hi, I'm Jim Taggart, President of the Ogden Weber Technical College. I want to personally thank you for taking time today to learn about this program. Our mission is to build a prosperous community by creating a technically skilled workforce, one student at a time. I'd also like you to know that our vision is to be your college of choice, and we are here to help you reach your potential.
What does a metal fabrication technician do? A metal fabricator is responsible for a variety of tasks in plants and factories. Metal fabricators can work in the automotive, aerospace, or electronic industries, to name just a few. As a metal fabricator, you will work with a multitude of different metals to build projects. Having the ability to read blueprints, perform quality control, cut, align, and weld metals are all skills that you will use in the industry. You will also use various welding techniques and abide by established safety regulations. What will you do in the program? The Ogden Weber Technical College's metal fabrication program includes all forms of fabrication. However, the Ogden Weber Technical College focuses on 4 main areas of specialty: design and layout, forming and fitting, welding, and finishing. The metal fabrication program will focus on developing entry-level skills that include blueprint reading, measuring, and layout. You will also get to program and operate CNC plasma burn tables, as well as fit up and welding operations. Learning about the safe procedures for operating fabrication machinery, including brake press, slip rolls, shears, and ironworkers, is a priority in the program. You will also learn about finishing work on projects for clean end products. What are the demands of the classroom? Metal fabricators deal with a variety of materials and the use of different equipment. You will always need to be aware of what you are working with, and any safety precautions required must be followed. Equipment should only be used with the approval of your instructor. Safety is key in this course. You will need to be comfortable wearing safety glasses anytime you step in the lab, as well as pants and closed-toed shoes, which will need to be worn at all times. Additionally, you will need to have clothing that can get dirty and are not loose so as to avoid being caught in equipment. This industry is very labor-intensive, and having a tolerance of extreme temperatures is helpful. Failure to abide by any of these regulations will result in denied admission to the shop floor. Although the chance for accidents is small, it is important that you have the knowledge and resources to handle a situation if needed. You will want to get familiar with the locations and proper use of first aid kits, eye wash stations, fire extinguishers, and proper exit routes in case of evacuation. What will you do once you graduate? After you have graduated from the metal fabrication program at Ogden Weber Technical College, you will spend the first few weeks at your company learning about the specific safety standards and manufacturing processes established. Typically, you will be responsible for maintaining equipment, keeping work areas clean, fabricating metal, and abiding by safety standards. You may initially be supervised to ensure quality product development and adherence to standards. How much can you make? Business expansion will provide the majority of job openings in the coming decade. Job opportunities for metal fabricators are expected to be good, but there will be strong competition for available positions. Applicants with technical vocational training and certification will be the most qualified for available job opportunities in the manufacturing sector. According to the Utah Department of Workforce Services, the metal fabrication industry is expected to experience average employment growth, with a moderate volume of annual job openings. The metal fabricator earnings ranges from an average low of about $14 per hour, an average median of about $24 per hour, an average high of about $30 per hour. This equates to yearly earnings of an average low of about $29,000 per year, an average median of about $50,000 per year, and an average high of about $61,000 per year. As you increase your skill set and expertise over your time in the industry, you can have many more opportunities to take advantage of, but your foundation can start here at the Ogden Weber Technical College's Metal Fabrication program.
Now you've seen and heard what the industry has to offer you, as well as how the Ogden Weber Technical College's program can help guide you through the learning process and enter your career pathway. So now what? Well, remember at the beginning of this orientation, we talked about our mission. We're now to the third part of our mission, which is one student at a time. Here's where you get to decide your career pathway, and we'll be here to help guide you through that decision-making process. So here's your first step.